Frazier gets in to nullify that attack. Step back, says the referee. Time is important here. 3, 4, 7. He takes the mandatory 8 count. The only knockdown of the fight. Muhammad Ali was flat on his back, but he's a well-conditioned athlete. However, he is real tired. Frazier smartly goes to the body when Muhammad Ali covers up. 2 minutes to go in the fight. 2 minutes. The crowd, needless to say, is in a bedlam. Oh, what a shot! If Joe had followed that up, he would have finished it. Muhammad Ali has never taken such a battering. Frazier is just pot-shotting him now. One minute left. Look for a last-minute flurry by Muhammad Ali. Less than a minute to go. Muhammad Ali gamely fights back. And Ali again makes the clinch. Remember, the scoring is on a rounds basis. Frazier is tired, and his eyes are closing. Half a minute to go. Frazier has won the big rounds, the 11th and the 15th, at least up to now. Frazier has the man in the corner. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. We'll have an interview with the winner and maybe with the loser.
أكيد ولا مهير ذا حريش نبلا شك ثوالم دمك يمخالف